Alright guys, so if your AirPods Pro 3 keeps disconnecting randomly during calls or music right after the latest iOS 26 or the AirPods update, it's been affecting a lot of users lately. So we'll show you what's causing it and the quick fixes that actually work. But the first thing is very basic, just make sure you're in the range of your synced iPhone. Also, when it happens, just go ahead put the buds inside the case, and after a few moments, just go ahead take it out. Just in case if it was a connection glitch, this will solve it. If your buds keeps disconnecting even after that, you gotta make sure both the buds got enough charge. You can just go ahead charge the buds simultaneously with the charging case if you want. If your problem still persists, let's check out some AirPods own settings. Open your iPhone settings. Go to AirPod settings, scroll through this section, and first turn off auto ear detection in case the sensors fails to detect your ear and disconnect during music or calls. Now the next settings you should check out is connect to this iPhone option. If it's your main device, just go ahead select automatically so it auto reconnects even after being used with another device. There's another option called pause media when falling asleep. It may falsely detect you as sleepy during music or ASMR and disconnect, so just better to keep it turned off. Now your disconnection problem should be solved after that, if not. Now we're going to recommend you to just go ahead and forget it from your iPhone first, and then simply reset it. Make sure the buds are inside the case, open the lid, make sure the LED is on, and then just double tap 3 times quickly over the LED. It'll blink orange for a while and then show the white LED. And then just go ahead and repair it with your iPhone once again. And apart from that, although we have mentioned about this problem after the AirPods update, if you haven't updated it, this can go both ways. So just go to the AirPods settings, scroll down all the way, and tap on version. From here, just redirect yourself to the Apple's website where the current version is listed. Just match both of them. If your AirPod is showing a previous version, just keep it connected to a charger, make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth both are turned on, and just keep it connected to your synced iOS device for a while when it will be updated. And hopefully your AirPods Pro 3's random disconnection problem will be solved after that. Thanks for watching.